It's time for NBC News Summary with me, Simeon Boyce. Dr. Michael Biswick Usi has been sworn in as the country's new vice president with a pledge to help President Lazarus Chakwera save Malawians better. Dr. Usi has taken oath of office a short while ago at Parliament Building in Lilongwe. President Chakwera has appointed Usi following the demise of former Vice President Dr. SOS Chima. President Umaro Sissoco Embalo of Republic of Guinea-Bissau has described late Dr. SOS Chima as a true statesman who was hardworking and had goodwill for the country. President Umaro Sissoco Embalo said this at Kamuzu Paris in Lilongwe during his visit to condole President Dr. Lazarus Chakwera on the death of Dr. Chima. Chief Justice Rezini Manda has urged the newly installed Malawi Electoral Commission make Chairperson Justice Annabel Ntalimanja and new commissioners Limbikani Kamlongera and Philip Gambulile to serve the country with the highest degree of integrity, transparency and accountability. He was speaking at the High Court in Lilongwe earlier today during the swearing-in ceremony of three of the three who have been appointed by President Dr. Lazarus Chakwera. Police in the country have arrested Boni Kalindo and Kamlepo Kalua for releasing fake information regarding the plane crash. National Police spokesperson Peter Kalaya says the act is contrary to cybersecurity laws of the country. According to Kalaya, Kalindo was arrested last night in Salima, while Kalua was arrested in Blantyre today. In sports, the Malawi National Council of Sports, MNCS, has called for peace as sporting activities have resumed following a temporary suspension. The suspension, which lasted for 1 week, was instituted after the tragic death of former Vice President Dr. SOS Chima and 8 others. Speaking to NBC, the Council's spokesperson Edgar Ntulumbwa emphasized that while the suspension has been lifted, sports stakeholders should continue to honor and mourn the departed souls. Well, that's the news summary for now. I am Simeon Boyce. Thanks for watching and bye for now.